Like a full armor.
What a way to go. I think we're conditioned to be like,
What do you have there? Chickens?
I've got 2 cocks right here. Would you like to stroke one?
No thanks. You guys are looking really good. It's video. Thank you so much.
I love this kind of stuff. I love this kind of stuff. I feel like it's awkward if you're not even a person.
right behind you, Elliot.
Right here. Dad, can you go under I am another.
Yeah.
You say thank you. Nope. Aha,